Let's start by understanding how navigating today's real estate landscape requires a full-service approach. At Beal Real Estate, we cover everything from residential to commercial properties, including construction and property management. Our market expertise helps us guide clients smoothly through this evolving market. What really sets us apart is our client-focused teams who tailor solutions to meet diverse needs, making the complex real estate world a lot more manageable for everyone involved. Now, looking at current market trends, interest rates play a big role in buyer affordability across all sectors. Inventory remains tight, which means competition is fierce. What's interesting is how sustainability and flexible office demand are shaping growth patterns. These trends aren't just buzzwords, they're actively influencing how properties are developed and marketed, so keeping an eye on them is essential for making smart decisions. What makes Beal Real Estate's model stand out is the integration of expertise across all sectors under one roof. This collaboration streamlines processes, reducing risks and speeding up decision-making. When teams work seamlessly together, clients benefit from higher value, as case studies have shown. So it's not just about offering services, but about how bringing them together creates a smoother, more efficient experience for everyone. Let's explore a real-world example where a client's journey starts with acquiring commercial property, guided expertly by Beal Real Estate. From there, development services ensure projects are completed on time without hassle. But it doesn't stop at acquisition and development. The ongoing property management maximizes investment value, showing how our full-service approach supports clients throughout the entire life cycle of their assets. Mitigating risks while maximizing opportunities is crucial in real estate. Our full-service model adapts strategies to keep pace with changing market conditions. By identifying emerging opportunities early, we help clients make the most of their investments. Plus, expert guidance helps overcome challenges and reduces risks, so clients can navigate uncertainties with confidence. This dynamic approach really makes a difference in achieving long-term success. To wrap up Beal Real Estate's full-service approach to include residential, commercial, multifamily, and property management, this brings integrated services that streamline processes, saving both time and resources. Our market insights empower clients to make informed decisions in a constantly changing environment. And by focusing on risk mitigation alongside opportunity maximization, we drive success for our clients. This comprehensive approach is what makes all the difference in today's real estate market. If you're looking for personalized support in real estate, Beal Real Estate is ready to assist you. You can reach out by phone or email to get tailored guidance that fits your needs. Their website offers additional resources, and if you prefer a face-to-face conversation, their office at 301 West Michigan Ave Ypsilanti, Michigan welcomes you. It's all about making your real estate journey smoother and more informed, so don't hesitate to get in touch and see how they can help.